Hello you guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm doing a giveaway. Okay, it's awesome. Giveaway this emerald ring. So comment down below if you want this emerald ring. I'll be sure happy to give it to you, and the first one to comment for this awesome emerald ring gets it. Already did the one heart locket. But thank you guys for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys all later. But make sure to comment down below for this awesome giveaway that I just got. So get this emerald ring if you comment down below. I'll see you all later. Bye.